Ever had a travel day where everything goes wrong? That was me, racing to Lisbon. Security lines, lost face cream, missed flight, and a ruined first night. That disaster taught me, travel isn't just about the destination, but how you get there. We've earned the right to travel with style and dignity. No more unnecessary drama. Elevate your journey from the moment you leave home. And for true peace of mind, don't forget travel insurance. With visitors coverage, you can get covered in minutes. Trusted by millions. Click below to explore plans for LGBTQ+ travelers. Because bold travel deserves smart protection. TSA PreCheck is a game changer. If you travel even a couple times a year, it's a must. The process is simple. Apply online, quick appointment, and you're set for 5 years. Skip the long lines, keep your shoes and belt on, and breeze through security. No more unpacking laptops or liquids. Just a smooth, respectful process. You'll have extra time for coffee, a good book, or a lounge visit. PreCheck transforms airports from stressful to serene. It's the VIP experience you deserve. Ditch the paper. Mobile boarding passes are a small upgrade with a big impact. Check in on your airline's app, save the pass to your phone, and always take a screenshot for backup. No more fumbling at the gate or worrying about Wi-Fi. Your phone becomes your travel command center. Boarding pass, updates, gate info, all in one place. It's efficient, secure, and keeps you in control. One less thing to lose, one more way to travel smart. Travel with intention, not by accident. The travel race starts 24 hours before your flight check-in online as soon as it opens. This is your chance to grab a better seat, confirm preferences, and avoid last-minute headaches. Early check-in means you can skip the counter and head straight to security. If you need to check a bag, use the faster bag drop line. Double-check your flight details and handle any issues calmly from home. Be the director of your own travel story. Always keep essential medications in your carry-on in original labeled containers. Bring a copy of your prescription or a doctor's letter, especially for international trips or liquid meds. Keep digital and paper copies handy. At security, take meds out and declare any liquids over the limit. They're exempt if medically necessary. Being organized and upfront shows you're a responsible traveler. Preparation means peace of mind. For LGBTQ+ travelers, especially trans and non-binary folks, matching your ID to your boarding pass is crucial. If your documents don't match, bring supporting paperwork like a name change order or doctor's letter. TSA procedures are more inclusive now. Know your rights and request a private screening if needed. Inform officers about any medical devices or concerns before screening. Preparation empowers you to travel with confidence. Your journey should be about discovery, not stress. Compression socks are a must for long flights, especially for travelers over 50. They boost circulation, reduce swelling, and lower the risk of blood clots. Today's options are stylish and comfortable, no prescription needed. Put them on before you leave and keep them on until you arrive. You'll land feeling refreshed and ready to explore. A simple act of self-care with big benefits. Hydration is key, but be strategic. Start the day before, sip water consistently, and avoid chugging. Bring an empty reusable bottle to fill after security. Limit caffeine and alcohol, they dehydrate you and increase bathroom trips. Add electrolyte packets for better hydration. You'll arrive clear-headed and comfortable. Smart hydration means more time relaxing, less time in line for the loo. Don't settle for a random seat. Use Seat Guru to find the best spot on your flight. Look for exit rows, bulkheads, or aisle seats for extra comfort. Consider aircraft type and seating layout. 2-seat pairs are great for couples. A few minutes of research can mean hours of in-flight comfort. Your seat is your home for hours. Make it count. Smart choices lead to a better journey. Talk to your doctor about adjusting medication schedules for time zone changes. Use your phone's alarm to remind you when to take each dose. Keep a day's supply in an easy-to-reach pocket. Don't guess. Follow your doctor's plan. Make it easy to stick to your health routine even when jet-lagged. Health first, always. If you're able, choose to walk the terminal instead of riding every moving walkway. Walking gets your blood flowing and helps shake off pre-flight jitters. It's a chance to stretch, explore, and feel energized before sitting for hours. Mix walking and riding for balance. Turn airport time into a mindful, active experience. Small choices make a big difference in how you feel. Airport lounges aren't just for first class. Many premium credit cards offer access. Cards like Amex Platinum or Chase Sapphire Reserve open doors to hundreds of lounges. Enjoy comfy seating, real food, drinks, and a calm oasis away from the crowds. Check which card matches your travel patterns and home airport. Lounge access can transform your airport experience. Invest in comfort if you travel often. Don't have a premium card? Buy a lounge day pass for long layovers or delays. Use apps like Lounge Buddy to compare lounges and book ahead. For $40, $60, you get food, drinks, and a quiet space, often cheaper than terminal prices. Perfect for recharging during a delay or layover. Invest in comfort when you need it most. Strategic splurges make travel smoother. Priority Pass is a global lounge network often included with premium cards or buy it directly. Higher tiers offer unlimited visits and guest access. It's not just lounges, some airports offer restaurant credits too. Check their website for coverage at your frequent airports. If you travel internationally, it's a great value. Turn layovers into a pleasure, not a chore. Airport Wi-Fi can be spotty. Try lounge or cafe networks or check Foursquare for passwords. Hunt for hidden outlets in quiet corners or restaurants. Always carry a portable power bank for charging freedom. Stay connected and powered up wherever you are. Your devices are your lifeline. Don't let them die. A little planning keeps you online and stress-free. Global entry is the platinum key for international travelers. Expedited re-entry to the US and includes TSA PreCheck. Apply online, do a quick interview, and skip the long immigration lines. Many premium cards reimburse the fee. 5 years of fast-track travel for a small investment. Save time, skip stress, and feel like a VIP every trip. It's the ultimate upgrade for global adventurers. Be honest and organized at customs. Declare food, souvenirs, and anything you're unsure about. Keep receipts for major purchases in one envelope. Use apps like Mobile Passport Control for faster processing. Preparation makes customs a breeze, not a hassle. Transparency speeds up your exit. Make your final steps out of the airport quick and painless. Avoid airport currency exchange counters. They have the worst rates. Use local ATMs for the best exchange rate and bring a debit card with low fees. Arrive with a small amount of local cash for immediate needs. Use a credit card with no foreign transaction fees for most purchases. Always choose to pay in local currency. Smart money moves save you cash and stress. Check your passport's expiration date. Many countries require 6 months validity. Set a reminder 9 months before it expires to renew. Processing can take months, so plan ahead. Don't let an expired passport ruin your trip. Make this a regular part of your travel prep. A simple check saves your entire journey. Never travel without insurance. It's your safety net for medical emergencies, cancellations, and lost bags. Domestic health insurance rarely covers you abroad. Look for inclusive policies like those from Visitors Coverage, tailored for LGBTQ+ and global travelers. Insurance protects your investment and your health. Book with confidence knowing you're covered. It's the ultimate peace of mind. Scan or photograph your passport, IDs, and cards before you travel. Store copies in your email, cloud storage, and a password-protected folder on your phone. Share with a trusted contact at home. If you lose your documents, backups make replacement easier. Multiple access points mean less stress in a crisis. Digital prep is your travel safety net. Set up your phone's Emergency Info Medical ID on iPhone. Emergency Info on Android list medical conditions, allergies, medications, and emergency contacts. First responders can access this from your lock screen. Test it before you travel. It's a free, powerful safety tool. Your phone becomes your silent guardian. Split your medication supply. Keep some in your personal item, some in your carry-on, and give a backup to your travel partner if possible. Carry a doctor's letter listing generic names for emergency refills. Research medication availability at your destination. Plan for contingencies before you go. Redundancy means you're never caught off guard. Smart planning keeps your health routine intact. These tips transform travel from stressful to seamless. Use your experience to travel smarter, not harder. Self-care and preparation let you focus on what matters: connection and discovery. You've earned the right to explore the world with comfort and confidence. Share your own travel hacks in the comments and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, travel safely and travel well.